U današnjoj epizodi CrewOpsa ovdje smo na Fakultetu strojarstva i brodogradnje, gdje je američko veleposlanstvo u suradnji sa Lockheed Martinom predstavilo demonstrator kokpita F-16 bloka 70, jednom od 4 aviona na natječaju za novi hrvatski višenamjenski borbeni avion. Detaljnije o bloku 70 možete pogledati na ovom linku u prijašnjoj epizodi, a mi ćemo se sad zaputiti na sami simulator i proći jednu složenu borbenu zadaću da demonstriramo neke od sposobnosti koje blok 70 nudi.
Go ahead and go full afterburner.
Okay.
For the military power, lift up on that throttle and push all the way forward. Awesome. Then let it down.
Got it.
I'm looking at my airspeed.
Okay.
And then altitude. All right. With your right hand, go ahead and slowly pull back. Perfect. Right there. Flight path markers climbing away from the ground, and then we raise our gear. Excellent.
Gear up.
You see that we're still accelerating,
Yep.
which is a good thing. And we're climbing away from the ground. Bore cross is set at 10 degrees nose high, and your flight path markers continuing to climb. Excellent. Get a little bit more altitude, and then I want you to get a feel for this side stick controller.
Got it.
F-16 uses fly-by-wire, so that pressure that you are applying to that stick tells the airplane how fast it needs to maneuver. So feel free to go left roll, right roll. Feel pretty comfortable with the controls?
It is kind of weird to not have the stick really move that much.
No, exactly.
Yeah.
And that's how it's important to look outside at your HUD and see how the jet is maneuvering for how much force you're applying.
Dakle, ovo je zapravo sustav koji nam omogućava da spasimo život i pilota i sam avion u slučaju da dođe do nesvjestice zbog G preopterećenja. Napravit ćemo to još jednom, we'll do it one more time. So, idemo ovdje prema dolje. Simuliram da sam se onesvijestio, dakle, ne diram kontrole. I avion sam ispravlja i dovodi me u horizontalan let da se mogu oporaviti i doći k sebi. Okay.
Awesome. So we took off from Nellis Air Force Base. We're going to proceed south. And actually, we've got some hostile aircraft in the area that we need to take out.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to just change your display here and show you your horizontal situation display. If you give me a left-hand turn towards that moon over there,
Okay.
we'll get guided to the right direction.
180 or?
About 210.
210, got it. Dakle, sad idemo na 210 stupnjeva heading da pronađemo neke zračne ciljeve. Okay.
Perfect. Now, if you take a look down here at your horizontal situation display,
Yep.
that's that God's eye view looking down, all right? And what we have here are Link 16 tracks. Link 16 is the NATO equivalent for data link, and so any kind of other platforms on Link 16 are sending you that information. We've got some air tracks out there showing 25,000 feet, and it's about 40 miles away from us. All right, if you take a look with your cursor enabled, good job. And you're putting on top of that red triangle there.
Yep.
I'm going to use your TMIS switch, forward and release, good. You've targeted the first one.
Okay.
So you've built a shoot list at that point.
Okay.
This radar is capable of tracking multiple targets. So go ahead and hit that white square right next to your first target of interest.
Okay.
And we're going to target that one as well. Excellent. TMIS forward and release, perfect. Now that we have 2 targets in our shoot list, the radar's tracking, we're going to go into an air-to-air mode by pushing that button.
Zrak, zrak.
Perfect.
Okay.
We have air-to-air weapons called up. We've got AMRAAMs. And now we're pointing to our targets 21 miles away. They're at 25,000 feet. And I'm looking at my dynamic launch zone, DLZ, for the capability of the weapon to get there. See the steering circle just increased in size?
Yep.
And now we're well within range in order to shoot down the air threat. Hit
Okay.
that red pickle button.
Okay, so that's Fox 3.
Fox 3. And then go ahead and step your target to the next target with TMIS right. Perfect. And when you're ready, feel free to shoot the other guy.
Okay. Dakle, sad smo napali jedan cilj i sad ću pričekati još samo koju sekundu. Fox 3.
Perfect. If you take a look, we had one impact on the first hostile aircraft. Now it's going to the second one. Take a look at our targeting pod here. So our radar is telling our targeting pod exactly where to look, and we can zoom in and see what type of aircraft it is and get a visual identification of when that missile actually impacts. Boom.
Yep.
And
That
so,
looks like MiG-29, right?
looks very familiar.
Yeah. So, dakle, oborili smo sad dva MiG-29 sa Amramima i to je to što se tiče zračnih ciljeva. So, we have no more air targets, correct?
No more air targets that we need to worry about. The other guy got scared, he's going home.
Yeah, got it.
So, we can come out of an air-to-air mode now,
Okay.
and we can really focus on some of the other aspects associated with the F-16. You're rolling out, awesome. So now we're going to go into an air-to-ground mode, air-to-ground mentality of.
Znači sad idemo u zrak-zemlja i koristit ćemo SAR mod radara, dakle za mapiranje terena visoke rezolucije i djelovanje po kopnenim ciljevima. Okay.
So back home, our base that we just took off got overran by some targets. So we got to go identify those targets and find them. And we're going to show you the SAR map capability of the radar. Go ahead and go to the left a little bit more to the left. And so as we are proceeding back home, we're going to start mapping the target. It could be occluded by clouds that we can't see, or it's too far away for the targeting pod. So the SAR map, go ahead and roll out. We're going to initiate the map with the TMIS left. And then we're going to take a look at, there we go, TMIS left now. We're going to take a look at the map that it builds, the airfield.
Yep.
Use your hog knob and zoom in and out, and then your cursor enable switch to move around that airfield. There we go, perfect. We can start identifying if there's any threats on the airfield with our radar.
Okay. So I'm having some red diamonds there.
There we go. So it looks like a hostile. There we go. We'll center it there. We'll TMIS forward and center the map. And then we'll build a bigger map. So TMIS right to increase the size of the map. And go ahead and TMIS left now. And it'll start building the map. There we go. So a little bit bigger map. Let's see if we can get a bigger map there.
Okay.
To the right first. And then back to the left. Awesome. As you can see, we start fine-tuning that target and zooming in to see if we can see anything there.
Yep.
Once we get close enough and go, yeah, I think there's something there, we're going to transition to our targeting pod.
Okay.
So as we transition to our targeting pod, it's already centered to where we were looking. We go, okay, let's see if we can't start breaking out some targets. And now you can use the zoom function in your targeting pod to identify if there's anything out there. Now that we're using our targeting pod, go ahead and point directly at the target. We use the steering function in our HUD to identify where we need to line up.
Okay.
There we go. Great. And now that you're in area track, right on that building, say we wanted to drop a bomb on the building.
Okay.
So now we're telling all our sensors where the bomb's going to go. We're on CCRP, continuously computed release point. And now we have the ability to drop a bomb. So what I want you to do is just hold down your pickle button.
Okay.
We know our bombs are good because they're green and ready. And as you hold down that pickle button the whole time, what you're going to see is a line come up from the bottom and come from the top. Keep holding down that pickle button.
And the weapon will release.
The weapon will release.
Dakle, sad kad se spoje ove linije, oružje će se automatski osloboditi. To su dakle bile dvije Mark 82 bombe od 227 kg.
What we're waiting for is an impact in the targeting pod. It may or may not show in this demonstration, but in real life, those bombs would go exactly where that Pipper was. Feel pretty comfortable that you can go into combat with this?
Ironically, yeah. This is really an awesome system. Okay, so do we have any more targets to engage, or that is it?
There's no more targets left out here.
Awesome.
So one of the most important aspects of this is coming back to land.
Yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and do that as well.
All right.
So I'm going back to nav mode, right?
Go back to nav mode, perfect. Looking good. Good corrections that you're making. Small inputs at this point. And then slowly come back on the stick. So pull back with your right hand. Excellent. Keep on pulling back now. Pretty good, pretty good. You're slowing down, excellent. Good, go ahead and put that flight path marker right on the runway. Go ahead and pull on back. Keep pulling, put it on that runway. Excellent.
A dok slijećemo, samo ću vas kratko pozvati da se pretplatite na kanal ako još niste, dijelite i lajkajte video te komentirajte. A ako ste u mogućnosti, možete me i izravno poduprijeti putem Patreona i Paypala, za što sam linkove stavio u opis videa.
Hold it there. Looking good, looking good. Excellent. When you get a little bit closer, I'm going to have you pull your power all the way back, not yet.
Okay.
And then you're slowly going to pull back with your right hand, keeping that flight path marker under the horizon the whole time, okay?
Okay.
Left hand all the way back, right hand just the tiniest bit back. Hold it there. Excellent landing. Now keep your nose up.
Yep,
Keep your
got
nose
it.
up. Right there on that 10 degrees nose high. This allows the jet to aero brake.
Yeah,
right?
got it.
Excellent. Try to hold it up as high as you can until about 80 knots. And then we're going to use our brakes.
Okay.
There we go, right there. Awesome, it's going to fall. It falls. There we go. Excellent. Now use those toe brakes on your pedals. That was a really good landing.
Awesome,
Good
thanks.
mission. Air to air, air to ground.
Yeah, it's awesome, and the functionality, the range of capability in a single mission. Dakle, sve ovo što smo sad vidjeli i demonstrirali zapravo pokazuje koliko je bitna ta tehnološka i informacijska nadmoć koju pružaju avioni 4,5. generacije kakav je Block 70. Dakle, imali smo djelovanje po zračnim ciljevima, identifikaciju kopnenih ciljeva putem SAR moda, odnosno mapiranja terena, što omogućava da se kopneni ciljevi pronalaze i u situacijama gdje inače sa ciljničkim kontejnerom ne bi mogli pronaći cilj iz jednostavnog razloga ili primjerice oblačno ili imamo loše vremenske uvjete. Tako da u kombinaciji SAR moda i AESA radara te ciljničkog kontejnera možete zapravo djelovati u svim vremenskim uvjetima po kopnenim ciljevima, pronaći ih, identificirati i tako dalje. A same sposobnosti aviona i fly-by-wire sustav je zaista fantastičan za isprobati, za osjetiti kako leti. Tako da, evo, ovo je zaista jedan fantastičan borbeni avion koji definitivno osigurava jednu apsolutnu zračnu premoć u širem susjedstvu. Pilot se može fokusirati na to da izvršava svoju zadaću, a ne da se bavi prvenstveno letenjem aviona. Avion se sam bavi letenjem aviona. Tako da, evo, želim zahvaliti naravno američkom veleposlanstvu i Lockheed Martinu za ovoj prilici da sam mogao isprobati ovo. Naravno, hvala i Čedu što me proveo kroz cijelu situaciju i vodio me kroz letenje. I zaista je ovo bilo veliko zadovoljstvo ovo isprobati i mi ćemo se vidjeti uskoro u idućoj epizodi CrowOpsa.